If your Insignia TV has sound but no picture, this guide is for you. Now before we start, just keep in mind, these troubleshooting steps cover minor glitches and simple electronic hiccups. If your issue is caused by a hardware failure, like a burned-out backlight or a dead mainboard, you'll likely need a professional repair. But let's go through the steps that fix this problem in most cases. We'll start with the easiest fix, and surprisingly it works in about half of all black screen cases. First, turn off your TV and unplug it from the wall, then press and hold the physical power button on the TV for about 15 seconds. After that, leave it unplugged for at least 30 minutes. This helps drain any leftover charge inside the TV. Once that time's up, plug it back in and power it on. If you see a blinking red light, repeated power cycles might not help, but if the TV is totally dark, try this step a few more times. Sometimes, the problem isn't with your TV at all, it's the power source. So, unplug your TV from any surge protector, extension cord, or smart plug and plug it directly into a wall outlet. You can even test another outlet, just to make sure you're getting stable power. Next, let's rule out any external device issues. Unplug all HDMI and other cables, leaving only the power cable connected. Turn on your TV. If the screen is still black, it's not an HDMI issue, but if your screen suddenly lights up, that means one of your devices, or cables, is the culprit. Clean the HDMI ports using a little compressed air, and reconnect each device one at a time to find which one causes the issue. Also, try switching to a different HDMI input. Some ports can go bad over time. Now this one's important, because it's the most common cause of a black screen with sound. Here's what to do. Turn your TV on. You should still be able to hear sound. Now grab a flashlight or use your phone's light and shine it close to the screen. If you can see faint images or menus, that means your backlight has failed. You can replace the backlight yourself, but before you dive into that, let's make sure it's not something else inside the TV. If the screen remains completely dark even after the flashlight test, the issue might be with one of the internal boards, typically the power board, main board, or T-con board. The power board, which supplies electricity to everything including the backlight. The main board, which handles all your inputs and system logic. And the T-con board, which sends image signals to your screen. When any of these fail, you'll often still get sound but no image. Unfortunately, these parts aren't easily repaired at home. They usually need board testing and replacement, which should be done by a professional. So, in short, if your Insignia TV has sound but no picture, try a simple power reset, make sure it's plugged directly into a wall outlet, check your HDMI cables, and if you suspect backlight or board failure, that's the point to contact a TV repair technician. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help others fix their TVs too. Thanks for watching.